dry roast half a cup of whole wheat flour or atta. We'll keep the flame on low medium side. We need to roast atta until we get a nice light brown color. Here you can see the flour has roasted very well. We'll transfer the flour in a bowl. In the same pan, now we'll be dry roasting flax seeds. I'll be roasting 2 teaspoons of flax seed. We need to dry roast flax seeds on low flame again. 1 tablespoon flax seeds provide good amount of protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids in addition to being rich source of vitamins and minerals. So one should include flaxseed in daily diet. I usually roast flaxseed and then grind it and use it in kneading my flour. This is the simplest way to use flaxseed in diet. Our flax seeds are done. Now we'll transfer flax seeds in another bowl. We'll allow flax seeds to cool down a bit and then we'll grind it. Next we'll heat desi ghee in the same pan. I'll be taking approximately 3 tablespoons of desi ghee, which makes it approximately half a cup. We'll heat desi ghee on low flame, and now we need to finally roast our broken wheat or dalia in heated desi ghee. While roasting dalia, keep the flame on low medium side and roast it until you get a nice aroma of roasted dalia. Gradually you will see that the color of dalia will also change. Along with roasting dalia, I will also put few almonds here. We'll roast almonds along with dalia. This step is completely optional. You can even add chopped almonds later. Once roasted, we'll allow this roasted dalia to cool down a bit till it comes to room temperature, and then we'll grind it. After grinding, it's looking something like this. And we'll again transfer it in a bowl. Next step is to melt the jaggery. For this, I'll take 1/4 cup of water, which is approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons. Into this, we'll add 100 grams of jaggery or gur. Gradually, you will see that jaggery will melt. Instead of jaggery, you can also use jaggery powder. Here you can see jaggery is melting very well. Just keep the flame on lowest possible side, otherwise jaggery will burn. While you are melting jaggery, keep all the other ingredients ready. So in the mixture, we have added 1 teaspoon of our roasted and grounded flax seeds, and we'll also add a pinch of cardamom powder, and then we'll add our melted jaggery. We'll mix everything well. Friends, after adding jaggery, I have grinded this complete mixture again. I want to set it as a barfi, so I am preparing this in this manner. However, if you want to make laddus, you can straight away just mix jaggery in the mixture and then you can prepare your laddus. Now, in order to set barfi, what I have done is I have heated 1 cup of milk in the same pan, and I have added 1 tablespoon of desi ghee in it. Now in milk, we'll add little mixture. And we'll mix it again. So we'll keep on adding this mixture. Do not add mixture in one go, otherwise it will form lumps. So mix it well and cook this mixture on medium flame. And our barfi material is ready. Now we'll turn off the flame and we'll set it. In order to set the barfi, use a greased plate or tray like this, and into this we'll transfer our complete dalia mixture, and we'll finally sprinkle some chopped pista. and just press it gently. We'll allow this barfi to cool down completely and we'll keep it aside for at least 2 to 3 hours until our barfi sets completely. Our barfi is ready. We'll now cut it into desired pieces. You can see the barfi has turned out so well. It's looking so attractive and you have to try it once to know how good it tastes. You will not be able to believe that this is made up of dalia. And to add to the nutrition value, we have added flex seeds and jaggery to it. So this barfi is very healthy and very nutritious. You should definitely try it out once. Firstly, we'll take a heavy bottomed kadhai like this. And then we'll pour half a liter of full cream milk into it. We need to boil the milk till it becomes half of its initial quantity. We'll keep the flame on low-medium side because we need to thicken up the milk. It will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes for milk to thicken up, so keep on stirring it. While the milk is boiling, we'll move on to our next step, which is grating of the paneer. Here I am using approximately 400 grams of malai paneer, which is really very soft. If malai paneer is not available, then you can use normal ready paneer. We all know that kalakand is made using fresh paneer, which is also called as chhena. So one can prepare chhena at home, which is best to use, but we are skipping this process in order to quicken up the process. So here I am using ready paneer. After grating the paneer, we need to mash the paneer. So one can mash the paneer in this manner. However, best is to use the palm of your hand and then just mash it in this way. This will give a very nice texture to kalakand, which we all love, that greeny texture. So mash it nicely. But this is completely an optional step. You can simply use grated paneer as well. So our mashed paneer is ready. We'll keep it aside. Now you can see that the milk has thickened up. So at this moment we'll add sugar into it. Here I'll be using half a cup of sugar, but we'll not add sugar in one go. We'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar at a time. Then we'll stir the milk so that it dissolves completely. And then likewise we'll just keep on adding sugar in bit by bit, and then we'll continue to work on our milk. So this is very important step while you make kalakand. Do not add sugar in one go. Just add little by little and continue to thicken up the milk. Our milk sugar mixture is ready. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee in it. Desi ghee will help in binding the kalakand. So it is very important to add desi ghee while you make kalakand. Now our final step is to add our grated and mashed paneer into this milk and sugar mixture. So add paneer and then mix it well. Stir it continuously. We'll add the rest of the quantity as well. Now we need to cook the mixture for just another 5 minutes on high flame. As kalakand is really soft and moist, so do not overcook this mixture. You can already see this nice grainy texture which we have got. So our mixture is ready. We'll turn off the flame. We'll transfer this material on a greased tray. So here I have already greased a tray with desi ghee. You can also use a brownie tray or a glass tray in which you want to set the kalakand. We'll transfer the complete quantity here. And then we need to level it up. One can use a spatula to level it. It comes really very handy. You can see nice grainy texture of kalakand which we have got here. Another trick here is that you can use the backside of a bowl like this and just level it up. It will give a nice smooth finish as well as sheen to the barfi. Now we'll garnish it with chopped pistachio, almonds. One can even use cashew nuts. Nuts really enhance the flavor of any sweet or dessert which we prepare. To further enhance the look of our kalakand, I am using silver work here. just apply it lightly on the surface of the barfi. Just ensure that once you apply it, the material should not be too hot. Now we need to set the kalakand for at least 6 to 7 hours at room temperature. You can even keep it in refrigerator, but it is best to cool it down and let it set on room temperature. Our kalakand is ready. It is set properly. Now we'll just heat it up for just few seconds. This will make our process of cutting more easier. We'll cut it into pieces, so you can cut it in any desired shape. Just by looking at it, you can see that the kalakand has turned out really very soft and moist. Now let me show you one piece. Wow, absolutely lovely. Perfect graininess, and it's very soft. Just look at this. You can imagine how soft and moist our kalakand has turned out to be. So friends, that was a very simple recipe. You must try it out today. It will not take too much time to prepare this kalakand.